Is your WordPress website acting strange? Maybe a slider isn't sliding, buttons aren't clicking, or links and forms won't submit. One common culprit could be a jQuery error. Before diving into jQuery, remember this: WordPress relies on multiple programming languages, and JavaScript is crucial for the interactive elements you see. This is where jQuery fits. So, what exactly is jQuery within the WordPress world? It's a widely used JavaScript library. Think of it like a toolkit of pre-written code. It helps developers speed up the process of adding features like animations, clickable menus, image sliders, and much more. WordPress itself uses jQuery, and many themes and plugins rely heavily on it to function correctly. It's like a fundamental building block for modern WordPress sites. A jQuery error happens when the browser tries to run some jQuery code, but something goes wrong. The code can't execute as intended. The result? The feature powered by that specific piece of jQuery code will likely break or stop working altogether. This could be anything from a small visual glitch to a critical function like adding items to a shopping cart. Here's the tricky part: WordPress doesn't automatically log JavaScript errors, so they often happen silently on your site, going unnoticed. But we have the solution. There's a free plugin that logs these JavaScript errors in detail, allowing you to pinpoint the exact culprit. It's called the Site Checkup plugin. And, as the name suggests, it does more. It performs a complete checkup of your server environment, including hardware, and gives you important suggestions to help it run smoothly. Armed with this information, you can contact the developer of the faulty theme or plugin and ask for a fix, or you can simply replace it with an alternative that works correctly. Don't let these hidden errors frustrate your users and hurt your SEO. They can slow down your page loading times and even interfere with Googlebot's ability to crawl your site. Remove these obstacles. Ready to get proactive? Download and install the free Site Checkup plugin now and put yourself back in command.